Good day. I'm Mikoy Senyalista and I will talk about the element of the states and the fundamental principle of the under the Philippine Constitution. So these are the four elements of the states. Number 1, population. This means the people who lives in the states. They are they are the one who live there are the parts of the states. Number 2, territory. Territory is the land that the states control. It is the area with border where the states say without allowed. Number 3, government. Government, this is who run um, the states, they make decision and tell people what to do. Number 4, sovereignty. Sovereignty means the states can make its own decisions. Nobody else tell them what to do. They decide for themselves. So that is the four elements of the states. So next, this is the five section that I picked for from Article 2. So number 1, Section 6. Separation of the church and state shall be inviolable. So this means the government and and religion must stay separate, so neither control the other, ensuring freedom for this religion for all. For example, here in the Philippines, there have many religion like Catholic, Adventist, Iglesia ni Cristo, and others. Kaya malaya kaya malaya ang mga tao kung saan sila magsisimba. Number 2, Section 10. Section 10 means the government must make sure that the countries develop all people, especially the poor, and treat it fairly and give equal opportunity to improve their lives. So, for example, like here in the Philippines, Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program o 4Ps. They give cash assistance to the poor family so their children can go to school to get regular healthy checkups and ensure the economics growth, as also support their most vulnerable citizen here in the Philippines. Number 3, Section 25. Section 25 means the national government must respect the independence of the local government like province, cities, municipal, and barangay, so they can manage their own affairs, make decisions, and address local needs without too much and fairness from the cen- central government, as long as they follow the law. For example, here in Valencia City local government, Valencia City local government creating and enforcing their own ordinance like rules and on market operation, waste segregation, and traffic management without waiting for the national government direct approval, as long as they rule follow the national law. Number 4, Section 8. Section 8 means the country follow the rule that no nuclear weapon allowed policy to avoid dangerous and risky that come with them. For example, here in the Philippines joined their treaty on the prohibited of nuclear weapon in 2021. The promise not allowed nuclear weapon on this country. Kay posible og magkwanta og nuclear weapon basin like pares karon kakuan ng China nga ga-improve ang Philippines like gadaghan ang mga fighter jet sige mga pang sandathang pangdigma gina gasugod na pod ang mas gapang alipusta ang China muna nga mas maayo pa og dili na lang mag nuclear kay aron nga neutral lang ang Philippines ug ang China. So, number 5, Section 11. Section 11 means the person worth and the important and their right must always be respectful. For example, in 2020, the Philippine Commission on Human Rights Chair investigate the report of the policies of police abuse during the community lockdown. Ng pastong pag-lockdown of COVID-19 nga ang uban police ga kuan biskag nang dili pa curfew hours ginapangdakop na nila kay mao lagi curfew hours na daw pero ang time na pa 6 or 7. So that is the 5 nga akong napilian sa Article 2. These elements policy defend the guidance in our nation. Thank you.